Chapter 1 Review Exercises, page 83, going to be doing problems 103 to 109, 110, 111 and 112. So question number 103. It's asking us to determine if the expression is a term. If the expression is a term, identify its coefficient. So the problem 103 is 55x. This is a term and the coefficient in front of the variable is 55. So the answer is 55. Question number 104. The expression is x minus 7. This is not a term. There is a variable and a number. Therefore, this is not a term. Now, problem number 105. This is negative 10x plus 4x. Now, if we look at this problem, x and x, this is the same variable with different coefficients. The number in front of a variable is called a coefficient. This is a negative number. This is a positive number. Now, when you're adding and subtracting the variables, what you do is, if the variables are of the same sign, plus plus or minus minus, you would add the variables and add the sign of the greatest number. And if the signs are opposite, like plus, minus or minus plus, you would subtract the variables and add the sign again of the greatest number. In this case, you have negative 10x and 4x. So both of them have opposite signs. You would subtract the numbers negative 10, it would be 10 minus 4, which would give you 6, and the sign would be of the highest number, which is a negative number. Therefore, your answer is going to be negative 6x. The next one is problem number 106. The expression is 19z minus 4z. In this case, again, the numbers have different signs. This is a positive number. This is a negative number. Therefore, again, we would subtract the numbers, which would give us 15z, and we would put the sign of a bigger number. In this case, 19 being a bigger number comes with a positive sign. Therefore, our answer is going to be positive 15x. Problem number 107, which is 3x squared plus x squared. Here we had the variable is x squared. They match, therefore we can add the numbers. There is no coefficient in front of this variable. That means there is a 1. Therefore, we would get 3 plus 1, which is going to be 4x squared. Moving on to the next problem, 108, which is 7 plus 2x minus 6 plus x. We have numbers and variables. You would group them up. Plus 7 minus 6, putting them together here. Then followed by plus 2x and plus x, which is going to be giving us plus 2x and plus x. You would combine these two and you'll combine these two. Again, 7 minus 6 will give you a positive 1. In this case, you have 2x plus x. There is no number in front of x. Therefore, that means there is 1. So it is going to be 2x plus 1, which is 3x. Hence, your answer is 1 plus 3x. Moving on to problem number 109, which is 4x square minus 3 plus 5x square minus 3. In this case, again, we will put these two numbers together and these two together, which gives us 4x square plus 5x square minus 3 minus 3. Combining these two would give you 9x square minus 6. Problem number 110, which is 3x square plus 4x square minus 7x square. We see everything is an x square term, and we would take the coefficients and combine them, which is plus 3 plus 4 minus 7, which gives us 7 minus 7. That means it is a 0. Actually, what you would be doing